Hey guys, it's Friday and I'm back with another face mask. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kat. It's Friday, so that means I am here today to review a face mask for you guys. So this week I have decided to use another bubble sheet mask. Bubble face sheet masks are my all-time favorite. I don't know what it is. It's the formula, the chemicals, when it just bubbles on my skin, I love it. So this week we are using a product from the PUREDERM Skin Solutions. It is called Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask Volcanic. So this is what it looks like. It looks awesome. I'm gonna read the instructions on the back. This wash-off sheet mask generates O2 bubbles to remove impurity, dead skin cells, and sebums to brighten your skin tone and cleanse your skin. Volcanic ash cleanses and purifies your skin with orange and lemon extract by helping the absorption of sebums. While this happens, papaya fruit and sugarcane extracts naturally remove unnecessary dead skin cells to brighten your skin tone. This product does not contain sulfites, mineral oils, synthetic coloring agents, or petroleum. How to use. So on the back, it's showing you how to use it. Before use, please rub the surface of the pouch to mix the contents well. Take out and unfold the mask. Apply the mask over the dry face in alignment with the face shape. Wear the mask 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask when the oxygen bubbles have risen significantly. Rinse your face with lukewarm water. So here on the back, it is showing you open it, you put it on, you let it sit, it bubbles, you take it off. Do you rinse it? With lukewarm water. Now, let's rewind. This is the first mask that I have ever read that says, before use, please rub the surface of the pouch to mix the contents well. I have never read a mask where it says to mix up the contents well. You would think to do that. No, you wouldn't think to do that because I never think to do that. I've never thought to rub it. But to think in your mind, yeah, that makes complete sense to get it all in there, make it all moisturized. So I'm going to rub it all around. It also did not say anywhere on here, guys, that you need to start with a clean, cleansed face. So you always want to start every face mask with a clean, cleansed face. So although they told you that little cool hack to rub all the contents to make sure it's all nice and evenly distributed, it did not tell you to start with a clean, cleansed face. So we're starting with a clean, cleansed face, and we are using this Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It is on a tear. So I'm just gonna tear it open. This one smells so good, like smell. I wish you guys could smell. Very frothy, very foamy. It smells like a nice, soft hand lotion. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. It's not disgusting. It's actually very nice and fresh. Okay, now that I've sniffed the life out of it, let's get this out and put on. So very goopy, like other masks. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. You can see exactly how goopy it is. When they're this goopy, I find them extremely I was about to say fragile. I find them extremely fragile. They're extremely fragile. So God, look how much it's already foaming. Okay, I need to figure out how to open this. It is very goopy, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just line it up first. You can hear the bubbles when you put it on. Very goopy. Smooth it all out. They're so ridiculous, but I love them. Like, look at my face, guys. So it tastes soapy. So I'm gonna go let this sit for 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna let this bubble up and I'll be back soon to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's been 10 minutes and this is what's happening. As you can see, the mask is so heavy with these bubbles that just me sitting here is slowly starting to close down over my eyes. So this is how foamy it is. Look at this, guys. Crazy. I think these masks are so much fun. I love them. So now the next step is to go and use lukewarm water and rinse it all off. So I'll be back in a second to let you know how it goes. But I had to show you how cool this stuff is. Okay guys, my face feels great. I have used many bubble masks before, and this one is just as good as the previous ones, if not better. I love this one. The smell was really light, fresh. It didn't have a gross scent to it. It was nice. It went on smooth. When I rinsed this off, it felt so nice. I didn't feel like I needed to use a soap after. I don't feel like I have a slimy residue left on my face. It's actually dried very nice, almost like a squeaky clean feel, which I love. So it definitely purified. It definitely bubbled. I like that it was a volcanic. I didn't really notice any, volcanic, I don't know. I didn't notice anything volcanic-y. I've done other charcoal face masks that weren't volcanic, and this is very, very similar. So guys, this was from, here's a little rip-off tag, the PUREDERM Skin Solutions Company, and it was this deep purifying black O2 bubble mask volcanic. It was amazing. I loved it. 2 thumbs up. I'd recommend it. Go out and get one, guys. All right, guys, so comment down below if you guys have used this face mask before, if you've actually used any products from this company before, because I really liked it. I gave it 2 thumbs up. I would definitely try it again. It's something that I would recommend for you guys. I want to know if you guys have been doing your face masks, if this series has kind of given you the urge to go out and get a face mask and treat yourself, because 2019 is all about self-love and taking care of yourself, and we can take 1 day a week, 30 minutes a day, like guys, 10 minutes. This took 10, 15 minutes today, probably a total of 20 minutes from the time you put it on to the time that you rinse it off, and you can't tell me that you don't deserve it. So go on out, get a face mask, guys. I have so many face masks to review for you guys. It's crazy. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell so that you're notified. I'm going to be here every Friday doing these. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.